We have received some very beneficial rains the last couple of weeks. Really got these draws a flowing. The grass is green. Things are looking a whole lot better. This pasture, I had to bring my feeding tractor. It's a mile of, I would say, dirt road, but it's just a two-wheel path that there's no way I'd make it up here in a pickup. But I'm out checking fences. As you can see, there's a electric fence going across this, and it's washed it. Hopefully the water will go down in the next few days and I can get back over here and put that back into place. Anyway, absolutely tickled that we're getting some rain. It just makes the whole world look better.